So there are two pivotal studies that have collected all of this information, and just referencing the peripheral catheters, the IVs that people get. There are 2 billion of those placed every year worldwide. Out of those 2 billion, 4.33% are creating catheter-related bloodstream infections. Of those infections, 9.4% of those people are dying from directly related to that bloodstream infection caused by the catheter, which is equivalent to 8.1 million deaths a year from IVs. Well, the catheter market globally is a $51.6 billion market. And there are things that clinical organizations are trying to do to prophylactically prevent lots of infection, and they're just not effective. So when you think about a $51.6 billion market and a catheter that could potentially prevent these infections, it's quite dramatic. About 10 days ago, we received our first third-party verified study from a world-renowned laboratory, and we sent them catheters which they tested for biocidal efficacy. The two strains of bacteria were E. coli and staph. And we sent them the catheters. They took the catheters, they rinsed the catheters under tap water until the catheters ran clear. They dried them until there was no discoloration on the paper towels. And then they placed them in the material that was inoculated with both those strains of bacteria. And within that test parameter, which has a sensitivity of up to greater than 4 log reduction or greater than 99.99% effective, we maxed out the test in both with both strains of bacteria. So we know the catheter is going to do a remarkable job killing pathogens. We know from prior third-party experiments when we were talking about a liquid material that is roughly 300 times more powerful than the current skin prep that they're using in the OR, that we are also non-toxic to human cells in a 24-hour human in vitro cytotoxicity study. So not only are we incredibly effective, we're also incredibly safe. The traction in the catheter market is that we are speaking to 3 publicly traded multi-billion-dollar companies that have started to kick the tires. We are talking to some of the largest healthcare delivery systems in the US, trying to find the appropriate healthcare system to co-develop the final product. It has attracted lots of attention.